I'm Sarah Jennings, and I'm here at the SETI Institute with another one of NASA Frontier Development Facebook Lives. This week, I'm here with the Astronaut Health Team. We're in week 7, and I'm really excited to be able to talk with them a little bit about their project. But first, we're going to start with some short introductions, so I'll invite Brian to go ahead and introduce yourself.
Awesome. Thanks, Sarah. Hi, I'm Brian. I'm a PhD student at UCLA. I'm one of the applied deep learning experts, and I currently study a bit of multimodal data fusion as well as a little bit of data privacy.
Hi, my name is Kritika. I'm a computer science PhD student at Cambridge. I work on machine learning and AI. In the past, I have a background in biomedical engineering, so I bring to the team a little bit of expertise on the medical side, but primarily on artificial intelligence, AI.
Hello, I'm David Bello. I'm in Nova University of Lisbon. I'm doing my PhD on biomedical engineering, so I'm applying deep learning to biosignals. Therefore, I can have some kind of domain knowledge and also AI knowledge for this project.
Great, thank you, and thank you guys for coming today. Can you provide an overview of what challenge are you working on? It's a really exciting challenge.
Yeah. So for our current challenge, we know that for all future deep space manned missions, it is imperative that we ensure astronaut health and safety. One of the limitations of our current systems is that there does not exist real-time monitoring of astronaut health. We know that from reports of NASA as well as the Canadian Space Agency, there exist effects on astronaut health, possibly from microgravity as well as radiation. So as a solution, we hope to provide some kind of artificial intelligence, or also called AI-enabled solution for real-time monitoring of astronaut health. But first, it is imperative that we deal with the lack of data. So as a first step, we aim to synthesize symptomatic astronaut health data.
Great, thanks. That's an awesome overview. And Kritika, can you explain why this is really important for the future of space exploration as well as humanity as a whole?
Sure. So I think as we think to the future of space exploration, one of the things that we know for sure, whether it be trips to the moon, to the lunar gateway, or even to Mars, so what we know for sure is that astronauts will undergo physiological changes while they're in space. We've seen this, and we've seen that over a 6-month period of time, microgravity, something that's as much as 10% muscle mass of the heart. So to better understand these changes and monitor them is really important. So our project will enable us to build data to monitor the changes, but also develop countermeasures for radiation as well as microgravity.
Great. And what makes working with this health data so challenging?
Okay, so there are 3 major concerns. First of all is the noise. The second is the privacy issues. And the third one is that we don't have that data, so it doesn't exist. So first of all, we are going to use wearable data because the dry electrodes that normally we see in hospitals are dry electrodes, so they need some gel in order to conduct electricity. And we cannot use them 24/7 because that gel dries off and it's also connected to cable that makes it impractical to use in space. So we are going to use wearable data that is very noisy because sometimes it doesn't connect with the skin. We also do movements that the signals become distorted, and then we call artifacts. So we have to consider only the clean portions of the signal. The privacy issues is because we must guarantee the privacy and anonymous of the individuals, so we cannot say that data belongs to. And the third of all, it's very difficult to analyze something that doesn't exist, so that part is also challenging.
No, that does sound like a really hard data set to use. So can you tell us a little bit more about what data are you using?
Yeah, so as David mentioned, there is something of a wearable data, which we call the AstroSkin. It consists of 6 sensors, but for the scope of this project, we are concerned only with the electrocardiogram data that is taken from it. So right now, there have been multiple missions on Earth called the analog missions, where people are simulating the conditions that one might expect in deep space, where they wear these wearables, and we have the data from that. In addition, we have online data sets that include clinical grade electrocardiogram data.
Great, thank you. And what techniques are you using during the FDL program?
Sure. So we have access to large troves of this health data. So a number of us, we have machine learning backgrounds, and so we're using machine learning and deep learning techniques to be able to use and analyze that data. Specifically, we're using new generative techniques, models, that will enable us to generate new data that doesn't exist already.
Great, awesome. And I know we're in crunch time. What is it like working at FDL?
Well, FDL has been like an awesome experience because we bring together several expertise from different domains. We are a group of 4 people, also with our mentors, and it's like we are very high performance, and we do deliver in a short period of time something that we could deliver and something that could really help. And I think that is very exciting.
That's great. That's really impressive. And I appreciate all of you guys' time since I know that we are in week 7 out of 8 for FDL. We're preparing for the final event. You can find more information on that on the Facebook page. But we're really excited to see the final results, and I appreciate your time. Thank you guys, and thank you for everyone who joined online. Take care.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Thank you.
See ya.
Thank you.